Hi guys, today we learn about how to fix if Google Go app is not working, not opening on your Android phone. So let's start it. Open settings, click more settings, app manager. Now here is you can find Google Go app. You find Google Go app, open Google Go app, go to the permission and allow all the permissions. After that, just restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, you can check it's working or not. If Google Go is not working, then you have to go to the storage. It's a second solution. Clear cache and click clear data. After that, you again restart your mobile and check whether it is working. Whether it is working. If still it is not working, then click uninstall and go to the Play Store and install the latest version of Google Go app. So this is how you can solve your problem if Google Go app is not working, not opening on your mobile. Thanks for watching.